Welcome to BMC Helix Video Solutions. In this video, we will be seeing how to make a user as an administrator from Helix Portal UI. So I have this user named user1, which is not administrator on the Helix portal. So let me try to log in using my user, which is user1. So I can see there are no users and keys option visible for this user, right? So I wanted to make administrator to this user. So for that, I would need to log into the Helix portal using one of the administrator user. We'll do that. I will log in using HANA admin user, which is one of the administrator on my Helix portal on my environment. I will navigate to the users and access, users and keys, and the user which we would like to make an administrator. Click on the action tab, click on the user options, click on the group, and give the administrator a group to that user. Save it, sign out, and try to log in from the user to see whether it is become administrator or not. We'll check that now. So you can see the user access, configure, and other options are visible, and this user is now administrator on the Helix portal, and this user can manage the permissions for other users as well. So this concludes my video. Thank you for watching. Please refer to the official BMC Helix portal documentation for additional information.